Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. We have received various information from many members, such as Nokia Safari Edge. Based on the latest report, they are also preparing to launch a new beast called Nokia Safari Edge Lite 2025 with fantastic features and performances this year. This smartphone arrives with incredible specs and a slim and light design. Let's see what we know about the Nokia smartphone. Regarding the display, the Nokia Safari Edge Lite 2025 specs offer a 8-inch Super AMOLED with a 4K resolution of 2990 x 3690 pixels. This handset also has Corning Gorilla Glass protection and a 21.9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the Nokia device takes power from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset as the processor. For security, this smartphone features an on-screen fingerprint scanner. The Nokia smartphone provides different versions of 12GB and 16GB of RAM and 256GB and 512GB of onboard storage. There should also be a microSD card that can expand up to another 1TB. Besides, the Nokia flagship runs on the latest Android 14 as the operating system. Let's talk about this device's photography system. The Nokia Safari Edge Lite 2025 cameras combines a quad 200-megapixel primary lens plus 32-megapixel secondary shooter plus 8-megapixel macro sensor plus 8-megapixel depth sensor. Another dual system is up front, consisting of 50-megapixel plus TOF selfie lenses for enhanced photos. Battery-wise, this Nokia phone rocks a non-removable Li-ion 8500 mAh juice box. Moreover, the Nokia smartphone also supports fast-charging technology. Other connectivity options include 5G, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPRS. The Nokia Safari Edge Lite release date should fall in the upcoming months. About the cost, the Nokia Safari Edge Lite price starts around $299. Are you excited about the launch of the new Nokia device? Well, that is it, guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.